Do you feel nervous when you want to talk to someone in English? Maybe you know some words, but you don't know how to start. You open your mouth and then nothing comes out.
Yeah, it happens to a lot of people. You study English, you know grammar, you know vocabulary, but in a real conversation, it's like your brain just stops.
Exactly. And today, we are going to fix that.
This is English conversation practice for beginners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. And if you are new here, hi, welcome. This channel is for people who are learning English. We speak slowly, we speak clearly, and we make it simple.
Yes, simple is good. Simple is your friend.
Exactly. And today, I love today's topic.
Me too. Today, we are talking about something very, very useful.
Super useful.
How to start a conversation in English.
Okay, so why is this important? Like, why do we need to learn how to start a conversation?
Good question. So think about this. You are at work, or maybe you are at school, or at a coffee shop, and there is someone next to you and you want to talk to them in English.
Right.
What do you say first?
And that's the problem, right? A lot of people know English words, but they don't know how to open the door, like how to start.
Yes, the first sentence is the hardest sentence.
Always. The first sentence is scary.
But it doesn't have to be. And today, we are going to give you easy, simple sentences, real sentences, sentences that people actually use.
Not textbook sentences, real-life sentences.
Exactly. Okay, Mike, are you ready?
I am so ready.
Okay, so let's start at the beginning, the very beginning. You see someone, a new person, maybe at work, maybe at a party, maybe on the first day of school. What do you say?
So the most simple, most common thing to say is hi or hello.
Yes, hi, hello. Very simple.
And then you say your name. For example, hi, I'm Mike.
Or, hello, my name is Sarah.
Both are good. Both are natural.
Let's practice together, okay? Viewers, repeat after us. Ready?
Hi, I'm Mike.
Say it. Hi, I'm... and then your name.
Good. Now the other person says something back. For example,
Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too.
Okay, so that's a very short, very simple conversation, but it works. It's real.
Let's do it one more time. Full conversation. Listen.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Sarah. I'm Mike. Nice to meet you too.
Perfect. Natural, easy.
Now, viewers, one important thing. When you say nice to meet you, the other person usually says nice to meet you too. Don't forget the to at the end.
Yes, to means same for me. It's like saying, I also feel happy to meet you.
Small word, big meaning.
Okay, now let's add a little more. After nice to meet you, sometimes you want to keep talking, right? You don't want it to stop there.
Right. So what do you say next?
You can ask a simple question. For example, are you from here?
Or do you work here?
Or is this your first time here?
These are called small talk questions. Small talk. Do you know this word?
Small talk, it's when you talk about easy, simple things, not big topics, not serious topics, just easy conversation.
Like the weather, like where you're from, like what you do.
It's very common in English. In many countries, especially in English-speaking countries, small talk is very normal, very important.
So don't be afraid of small talk. It's not deep, it's not serious, it's just friendly talking.
Exactly. Okay, let's practice those questions. Repeat after me. Are you from here?
Are you from here?
Good. Now you. Do you work here?
Do you work here?
And one more. Is this your first time here?
Is this your first time here?
Perfect. These are great conversation starters.
Okay, let's put it all together now. A full, short conversation. Sarah and I will do it, and viewers, listen carefully. Then we will repeat it slowly.
Ready, Mike?
Ready.
Hey. Hi. I don't think we've met. I'm Sarah.
Oh, hi. I'm Mike. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Mike. Are you new here?
Yeah, it's my first week. I just started.
Oh, welcome. How do you like it so far?
It's good. Everyone is really friendly.
That's great to hear.
Okay. Did you follow that? Let's go slower now.
I'll say my line, then pause. Then Mike will say his line. Repeat with us if you can. Hey. Hi. I don't think we've met. I'm Sarah.
Oh, hi. I'm Mike. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Mike. Are you new here?
Yeah, it's my first week. I just started.
Oh, welcome. How do you like it so far?
It's good. Everyone is really friendly.
That's great to hear.
Good. That conversation is short, maybe 30 seconds in real life, but it feels natural. It feels real.
And notice, the sentences are short. We didn't use difficult words. We didn't use difficult grammar.
Short sentences are your friend. Remember that.
Okay, let's talk about some useful phrases. Phrases you can use in many different conversations.
First one, I don't think we've met.
This is a polite way to start talking to someone new. It means, I think you are a new person. I have not seen you before.
You can also just say, are you new here? That's simpler.
Both work. I don't think we've met is a little more formal. Are you new here is more casual.
Second phrase, how do you like it so far?
This is a great question. So far means until now, from the beginning until this moment.
So if someone is new at work, you can ask, how do you like it so far?
And they will say something like, it's great, or it's good, or it's a little scary, but okay.
Honest answer.
Third phrase, that's great to hear.
This is a nice response. When someone says something good, you say, that's great to hear.
It means, I'm happy you said that. I'm glad things are good.
It's positive. It's friendly. People like it.
Let's practice these 3 phrases. Repeat after us.
I don't think we've met.
How do you like it so far?
That's great to hear.
One more time.
I don't think we've met.
How do you like it so far?
That's great to hear.
Perfect.
Okay, now let's think about different situations, because you don't always meet people at work, right?
Right. Sometimes you meet people at a party, or on a trip, or at a class, or at the gym.
So let's look at a few different situations and see, how do you start a conversation in each one?
Situation 1. You are at a party. You see someone standing alone. You want to talk to them.
You can say, hi, do you know many people here?
Or, hi, are you a friend of... and then the name of the person who is having the party.
For example, hi, are you a friend of Tom's?
Simple. Easy. And now you are talking.
Situation 2. You're in a class, English class maybe, or any class, and you sit next to someone new.
You can say, hi, is this your first time in this class?
Or, hi, have you been here before?
Or even simpler, hi, I'm Sarah. Is this seat okay? And you point to the seat next to them.
Oh, I like that one. Very natural.
And usually they will say, yes, of course, sit down. And then, conversation started.
Situation 3. You are waiting somewhere, maybe waiting for the bus, maybe waiting in a line at a coffee shop, and there is someone next to you.
You can say, wow, it's busy today.
Or, the line is so long today, right?
Or, nice weather today, isn't it?
Ah, talking about the weather. Classic small talk.
Yes, talking about the weather is very, very common in English, especially in countries like the UK or the US.
If you don't know what to say something about the weather.
It always works.
Okay, Sarah, you said, nice weather today, isn't it? Let's talk about that for 1 second.
Oh, yes, good catch. Isn't it This is called a tag question. It's when you add a small question at the end of a sentence.
It makes the sentence more conversational, more natural, and it invites the other person to agree with you.
For example, the line is so long, isn't it?
Or, it's hot today, isn't it?
The other person usually says, yes, it is. Or, I know, right?
I know, right? That's a very common English expression. It means, yes, I agree with you.
Very casual, very friendly.
Let's practice. I'll say the sentence, you say, I know, right?
Ready, viewers?
The line is so long today.
I know, right?
It's so hot outside.
I know, right?
This class is really interesting.
I know, right? Perfect. See how easy that is?
That one expression, I know, right? You can use it so many times in English conversation. People love it. Okay, practice time. This is the part where you work a little.
But don't worry, it's easy work.
We're going to say some sentences, and we want you, yes, you watching right now, to repeat them out loud.
Don't just watch, don't just listen. Say the words out loud. That's how you learn.
Ready? Let's go.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Are you new here? Yes, it's my first week. I just started. Oh, welcome. How do you like it so far? It's great. Everyone is so friendly. That's great to hear. Good. Let's do some single sentences now. Repeat after me. Hi, I don't think we've met. Nice to meet you. Are you from here? How do you like it so far? It's good. Everyone is really friendly. That's great to hear. Nice weather today, isn't it? I know, right? Excellent. You're doing so well.
Seriously, if you said those sentences out loud, great job. That's real practice.
Okay, one more thing, very important. What do you do if someone says something and you don't understand?
Oh, yes, this happens a lot.
A lot of beginners, they just say nothing, or they smile and nod, and they have no idea what the person said.
We've all done it.
But there are easy, polite ways to ask someone to repeat. Let's look at them.
You can say, sorry, can you say that again?
Or, sorry, I didn't catch that.
Or, could you speak a little slower, please?
These are all polite, all natural, and people will not be angry. They will help you. Native speakers, they want to help you.
And you know what? Sometimes even native speakers say these things. It's not just for learners.
Exactly. Asking someone to repeat, it's not embarrassing. It's smart.
Let's practice those two. Repeat after us.
Sorry, can you say that again? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you speak a little slower, please? Perfect. Those 3 sentences, remember them. Use them.
Okay, now it's your turn.
We want to hear from you.
In the comments below, write a short sentence. Introduce yourself like you are starting a conversation.
For example, write, Hi, I'm your name. I'm from your country. Nice to meet you.
We will read the comments, and we might even reply.
Yes, so write your introduction down there. Practice your English. Talk to other learners in the comments.
The comments section is a great place to practice. It's safe. It's friendly. Everyone there is also learning.
So don't be shy. Write something.
Okay, we are almost at the end of today's video.
Already? That went fast.
It did. Okay, let's remember what we learned today.
We learned how to say hello and introduce yourself. We learned small talk phrases. We learned how to start a conversation in different situations. And we learned what to say when you don't understand.
A lot of good things today.
And remember, the most important thing is to just start. Say something, even if it's not perfect, even if you make a small mistake.
A small mistake is okay. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to communicate, to connect with people.
And you can do that. I believe in you. We both believe in you.
You've got this.
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel.
And subscribe if you haven't already. We make videos like this every week. Simple, clear English practice for beginners.
And we have a new video coming very soon. I think you are going to love it.
Oh, it's a good one. So hit that notification bell so you don't miss it.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching Easy English Podcast.
Keep practicing, keep going. You are doing amazing.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.